Being a part of this first commercial project in Höganäs is very cool. This is the first time we're facing the scale-up of our own technology to such a scale. And this is also at the same time extremely crucial as a development stage for us as a company. So if we succeed in this, we will have a lot of positive steps ahead of us.
The idea of Cortus is to use renewable sources and make energy that has no carbon footprint to industrial customers and in industrial applications.
Cortus is a small company. Our main project is the WoodRoll process, where we produce an environmentally friendly energy gas, syngas as we call it, from biomass. And this is done through gasification.
We started here in Höganäs with a steel manufacturer, and their demands are typically driven by heating in the manufacturing, I should say, of steel, where high temperatures and demanding conditions are needed to fulfill. And this is what we can do with our solution.
The WoodRoll process can be described in 3 main steps. The first step is the drying process, where we take the wet biomass down to a 5% humidity content. The second step is pyrolysis, where dry biomass gets converted into charcoal and pyrolysis gas. The last step is the conversion of charcoal into syngas, and this happens by reaction with steam at high temperature.
The heating of our gasification reactor is completely by radiation. This is part of our innovation. The radiation means that we can divide the heating and the flue gases completely from the reaction. So the reaction is driven by the radiation heat from the combustion in this process. This gives us the opportunity to be at a much cleaner level when it comes to the end product of what we're doing.
We have been producing biocoke from biomass, which can replace the coal in this application and introduce large emission savings. If we have a look at the numbers for the plant we're installing here, then we're talking about 10,000 tons per year of CO2 emissions that we are avoiding compared to the alternative that Höganäs is currently using for warming up their processes.
The main driving force at Cortus Energy is we are all working towards a goal into contributing to a more renewable society.
If we see that the environmental impact that we have created in our lifetime is to be given to the next generation, and we don't even try to do anything to avoid this global warming, I think we are not taking responsibilities for our own actions. So to me, it's really important to do it.